Hi, I want to show you an app I created for viewing XSD files. So XSD file is like XML schema declaration file XSD, and it contains information about schema, about XML schema, about XML fields and it's usually used for validating XMLs, and some application has like XSD stored for validating. And so this is my website. I will leave it in the description, and this tool will allow me to view XSD files if I need to. To download tool, I just double click on download files, and wait till the file will be downloaded, then click on archive and double click on Xsd Viewer setup. I got the screen because I'm not unregistered publisher. I click on more info, you can see publisher or no publisher. This is why Microsoft is giving this screen. So I click on run anyway, click on next, install, and you can see app installed on my computer. I have the shortcut on my desktop. Now, if I want to view an XSD file, I can double click on it and select input XSD file, like this example XSD. And basically it will show what is specified inside of this file. For example, I have a schema declaration for purchase order, and now this purchase order has purchase order type, and purchase order type consists of three fields: ship to, which is type of US address, bill to, which is type of US address to, and order date, which is type of date. Then US address consists of following fields: name, street, city, state, country, which is like NM token, and basically that's it. So it will show what is stored inside of XSD file. I can export this if I need to have it like for documentation. I can export it to Excel or Word if I need to, or like web page. And yeah, you can see like this is web page it exported, so it contains all this information. And yeah, basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it worked for your XSD files. Thank you.